Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Xiaomi 12T and Xiaomi 12T Pro. First of all, let me tell you whatever language you have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you in the tutorial video will be always the same. Okay, first of all, we will need a settings file. So just scroll down here, right next to the camera, scroll down right next to the camera and you will have here always the control center. And the part of the control center is here always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Then you need to scroll down to the point additional settings. And there you will find a gray icon in front with 3 white points in it. So now you will need the second point, languages and input. And now you will need the first point, languages. Okay, and now you're there where you want to be. You can now look for your language and yeah, well, let's continue in English again to follow the video better. Tap here on English with the dialect. You can choose also a local dialect. Now in that case here from the United States. And yeah, now the phone is in English with the dialect of the United States. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.